Hello guys, welcome to my channel ID WebPath. In this video, we will learn how to add reference in Ms. Word using Endnote. So, let's get started. Here is Ms. Word document where we put reference of paper from Google Scholar. Suppose you want to add reference of this particular paper. Just copy it. Now open Google Scholar. Paste that link in search bar. A lot of paper would appear here. Select the one paper you would like to add. Reference in Ms. Word file. I want to add first paper reference. Click on Import the Endnote. This paper is download and add all information in Endnote automatically. Now click where you want to place this reference. Then click on Endnote tab. From sub-menu, click on Insert Citation. Then click on Insert Selected Citation. Reference. Here you can see paper reference is add. In this way you can add paper references in Ms. Word document. Thanks for watching. If this video helpful, then hit the like button and subscribe my channel also. Bye bye.